This will be a hotel room tour of room 10, the Kimpton-Alton, San Francisco, California. Should walk in, interior corridor. Let's let the door shut. Here's your evacuation plan. Pause if you want to read that. Come into the room. You got your little area with hangers, robes. The first thing we're actually going to check out is the bathroom. Here's my hi. What I love about this bathroom is the brass and white accents. Let's turn on the shower. And the commode, I'm not sure what kind it is, but got the door flush, which is interesting. Here's the sink. Oh. Anyways, coming into the room, can't find that light switch, but you have two very nice queen-size beds, a workspace, some drinking glasses, and what I really like, honestly, is this, if I could open it, I actually have a record player in here. I'll turn on the light so I can see it better. Where is this? There we go. Got some light. Victrola, nice. In here is a mini fridge, and there's no mini bar. Just have a drink in there. Samsung flat screen television. Yeah, just got here today. So I'm filming this before we start, you know, living in here. I like these lights. Let's turn these on. Ooh, it's pretty nice. But yeah. Anyways, that was a quick hotel room tour for you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night and you stay safe.